In this video, I will provide everything you need to know on how to get started with Transkriptor. So Transkriptor is a really good transcription software app that can help you transcripting videos, audio files, and YouTube videos by using AI. And I'm going to show you how to get started, and it's actually really simple, and it is also free to try. So when you want to get started, you basically go to the transkriptor.com website, and then you're going to click on try it for free. And as you can see, I am already logged in, but if you're not logged in, you can basically log in with a Google account, a Apple account, or you can just set up with a normal email. And I chose Google as my login method, and after being redirected to Google and having entered my password, I went straight into a screen with 3 steps you have to follow. And the first step is to enter your language, and the second step is already to paste an audio or video file in, and 3 is to review the output of this prompt. And that is the simple starting process of Transkriptor. And after you finish that, you will be redirected to this homepage, and this is your dashboard. So from this dashboard, you can basically get started with Transkriptor. In here, you can transcribe audio or video files by clicking on this section. In here, you can transcribe YouTube videos. And in here, you can select a recorder to record your screen, voice, or both, and to get transcriptions on this. You can also install a Google Chrome extension. You can download the mobile app, and you can also download the desktop app. And in here, you can see and do a lot of other things. Let's say you want a calendar connection. Let's say you want to join Teams, Zoom, or Google Meetings with transcriptions. Basically, a lot of features in this, as you can see, and it is amazing. And I have just prompted a audio, video, and YouTube video, and I'm going to show you the output of everything that I have prompted. I have inserted an MP3 file, and this is what it looks like. It basically transcribes it really well, really detailed, and as you can see, this is only a short MP3 file, but this works really well, and there are a couple of options that you have with this. You can download this transcription, or you can share it, you can find and replace words, you can translate it into a different language, and you can transcribe again. And what I really like is this AI assistant on the side. So let's say you want to summarize the transcription, and then you will get a summary. So that is really handy. And let's go back to the video transcript. This is based on a video. It is basically the same as I just told you about in the audio file. Everything is similar. You can download, you can share, you can find and replace and translate. And of course, the AI assistant is also available. And maybe the best thing about this Transkriptor app is the ability to transcribe YouTube videos. And as you probably know, there are a lot of transcription softwares for YouTube videos. Basically, those are all free and they will pop up immediately in your search result. But my opinion, and I've used a lot of them, is that Transkriptor is the best. And I'm going to tell you why that is the case. And it's actually really simple. You just prompt a YouTube link and you immediately get what you want in this. So everything is really detailed in here. You can basically download it really easy, and that's something that you cannot do on most softwares. So you can download everything. And the most important thing is also that you have overview in this. So you have overview in everything that is being transcribed. And maybe the best part is that you have this AI assistant also with YouTube transcriptions. So what you can do, let's say when you transcribe a YouTube video of 5-minute duration, you can basically go to the AI assistant and prompt in, summarize this transcription, and then you will have an AI generated summary of a YouTube video's transcription. So that makes it really easy to understand complicated YouTube videos, and that is an amazing feature, and it is absolutely usable for free in the free plan. So this is something that you should definitely check out. And I would say the free plan can do a lot of your preferences, but let's say you want more, you can also select to unlock the full transcription. So you can turn audio, video, and screen recordings into text. This means that you basically can have more words being transcribed and longer files. So the free plan is amazing to find out everything about Transkriptor. And if you want to use this, let's say regularly, then it is definitely worth it to check out what the upgrade plan can offer you. And let's click on upgrade to see the plans. And in here, it is by default set on annual, and then it will be $8.33 per month. And you can also bill it annually for $99. That is just for the Pro version. You have the team version and the enterprise. This will be custom. On the monthly plans, you can get started for $20 per month, and you can cancel this subscription anytime. So that can also be handy if you want the flexibility. So this is how you get started with Transkriptor. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.